Guys, very hot. Welcome to the September allotment. Here's your jobs. Okay, welcome to the back garden. I bought the seedlings home because it's far cooler. This is a north side facing wall, so it's very cool here. Let's go and see how the seedlings are getting on. Okay, so these ones I've just sown. This is a 4 seasons lettuce and a beetroot. And we're going with a tray of spring onions, Kalan Kitschy, Winter Destiny, lettuce, which most of this tray is coming through, so that's a good start. I sowed these yesterday, so Wongbak, 4 seasons lettuce again, and Chinese cabbage. And then we've got a kale, some Winter Destiny lettuce again, and Lollo Rosso lettuce. And in the end, we have a tray of normal lettuce. So it's very cool on this side of the polytunnel. This is the north side. We have a tray of spring onions, spinach, and another tray of spinach. These to go outside and into the polytunnel. Strip the bottom leaves off your kale. Anything that's looking a bit manky, just get rid of it, and it'll prolong the life of your kale. You get a better harvest. Just pull down and they'll come off. Clear all the dead and rotting leaves from the ground as well. And remember, if you have any rocket, it always enjoys the shade in a heat wave. Pains me to do this. We need to clear this pepper bed, prepare the soil with some bloodfish and bone, ready for the autumn crops. So we'll prepare the bed by hoeing it over, making sure the ground is nice and even. Then we'll put in some lovely bloodfish and bone. This will help fertilise the soil. We'll just mix it through again with the hoe, and then pretty much the bed is ready for planting. So here's our beautiful Bright Lights chard. This will be going into this bed. Like so. We do generally put the roots, if there is a tight root ball, just break it up a little bit. It'll just help it bed in nicely to the new bed. So pull apart the roots and you're good to go. We'll harvest these green beans. There's no more flowers on here now, so this is pretty much the last crop. As you can see, the French beans, they were sown in 2 separate sowings, so early on and late. The earlies have gone over now, so it's absolutely perfect to collect the seed pods as well. To provide next year's seeds or beans for next year's harvest. Here we go, pruning the tomatoes. Always a job that we enjoy doing. Great this time of year, and we're loving the extended heat wave to ripen the last of the tomatoes off. Time to harvest the pears and the apples. You twist them and they come off in your hand. You know they're ready. Look at these beauties. We'll get through it. This heat wave's nearly over, so please subscribe for more of the same.